Hello everybody, I'm Imlal Sapota. I'm from Best PT Center. Friends, today I'm discussing about how to score high marks in PT, writing especially in summarized written text. Summarized written text covers 20 marks in PTE, 10 marks for reading and 10 marks for writing. Summarized written text, you have 2 to 3 questions will be asked in the test. So how to approach this question? I'm elaborating it in detail. At first, you have passage will appear on the screen which covers almost 300 words, and you need to write in one sentence. You need to write one sentence which covers 5 to 75 words, not less than 5, not more than 75 words. But how to solve this question? It's very important question here. Student, you should know one thing is that at first you need to read the passage calmly. Some student they hesitate to read the passage very well, and some student they read only some part of it and write and just they cut and copy and paste that. But so as to score high marks in test, you need to read the passage very well. So read the passage very well. And how to find out what sort of word, what sort of linking words should be connected there? How to know what sort of linking words should connect there? You need to read the passage very well. At first, read the topic. What is the topic about? Either the topic about environment, topic about sociology, topic about economic, topic about politics, and what is the topic about? Or what is happening in the passage? Who did what in the passage? Read the first line very properly. Read the first line very well there. And read that and see the linking word. If there is furthermore, if there is similar idea mentioned there, the passage in the same way, you can use furthermore, additionally, likewise, similarly, and read there very well. If you find, however, but a contrasting idea in the passage, join with the contrasting word. You can see the passage about suppose about the something in the proper way or in the same way, but if you see there however, then there is something opposite, something different there. So if there is something different, use however there, and read first 3 line, next 3 line, third 3 line. From 3 line one passage, one sentence, next 3 line one sentence, and last 3 line one sentence. So write them in your copy, and then you need to synthesize it. Synthesize means you need to use the proper linking word to join that. And join that, if you join that, you will get very nice single sentence. It is not longer than 50 words, and it should not be longer than 50 words. Longer word does not provides you high marks. My student who scored 19 listening and 19 reading, 19 writing, they did not do that. They just did what, as I said earlier, and they score high marks in the test. Just find out 3 sentences. So just write down 3 sentences from the passage. Write 3 sentences in your erasable notebooklet and join them with the linking words. If there is similar idea, use furthermore, addition. If there is different idea, use however. Use you can start from although also, despite also, in spite of also. You can use this contrasting idea there, contrasting word, contrasting linking words there. They are very important. So it is not difficult task, but if you did not get any idea, skill, or any technique here, that can be difficult for you. So I have provided you some tips about regarding the summarized written text, which is most important parts of PT. So use this, apply this idea there, you can achieve high marks in your PT writing and reading and writing, and select the keyword while writing in your copy. Select keywords. What are the keywords? Most of the students, they don't know what are the keywords. Keywords means noun, especially adjective, adverb, specific nouns. These are keywords, not articles. They are not keyword. Or in the, they are not keyword. So noun, adjective, adverbs are keyword. These are very important for the student to score high marks in reading. So try to write keywords, and in order to support the keywords, you support words also there, and if you arrange them properly, you can score. That will be, not can be, that will be perfect sentence, and you will score high marks in PT reading and writing both, or in summarized written text. Okay friends, thank you for this for your valuable time. How is my video? Please subscribe my channel and press like button too. I will upload the different videos in the days to come. Thank you very much for watching this.